Hi, my name is Sean.
And my name is James.
And we're the Engineering Dads.
Wow.
So cute. So today I want to be helping James build his slat wall, which has been a very big staple of my room. It is a very fun project as a whole. It is completely modular. All the shelves come in and come out, and they've been designed perfectly for what I need it to be. And so with James, we're trying to build something very similar for him.
Yeah, so I guess this is something really good to do if you've got a lot of stuff lying around at home. As you can see, you can put a lot of things like books, remotes, plants, diffusers, and just a lot of miscellaneous items that you hang around the house. Like personally for me, I've got so much stuff just lying in my room, lying in my study that I kind of just want to organize. Things you need for everyday use, but really aren't that relevant to everyone's lives. So I guess the moral is everyone lives different lives, and we want things to be organized. So I guess the purpose of this is to show how good it is to build something simple that's DIY, because you can save a lot of money. And while it might seem a bit hard on the outside if you've never done something like this before, once you do it once, there's so many things you can do around the house that simplifies things. Yeah,
and now that I built it once, I see how simple it is. Once you've making those inroads into what you need, how to build it, it's so simple. So for me, this is more of a fun kind of a walkthrough back through what I did.
Yeah.
And what James touched on before was saving money. It's a big element. When I saw this online, it looked so good in like the home images and whatnot. When you see like these images on like a Pinterest and whatnot, I looked at installing one, and you can see them range from like 300 for a very small bit of kit up to well over 1,000. And for all of us, this cost me less than 200 to build. Yeah, it took a bit more effort, but I think it was a really fun project. And as a budgetary thing, it's really good to install.
Yeah.
So yeah, let's Bunnings. Best place in the world. Please sponsor us. Please sponsor us. Okay. Oh, it's a beautiful site. Okay, so we've got to do the calculations of what we need. All right, James. Pencil here.
Alright, so we wanted about, how high we wanted? About 1.6.
Yeah, so what we've done is we've chosen this specific type of wood with those specific lengths, and we're now going to figure out how many we need need. So this is 16 mils thickness, and you're going to have them in between. So you can make a formula with this, right? The 16 mil thickness for these bad boys, and then what? 45 millimeters.
These guys.
It's 42. Engineering on the fly. This is the first piece, and these are all the pieces up. So it's gap plus up, gap plus up, gap plus up.
I have that, or you can just negate that all together, and you have
But then you have to add the 42 as well.
So basically we have our first thickness, which is 42 millimeters, plus an unknown variable, which is what we're calculating now, and 42 plus 16 to get the whole entire thing to 1060 mils, and solving that.
Pieces of wood. So let's get 18.
It rounds up to 18.
Yeah, okay, so it's a bit bigger, so what? So it'll be, so the total height's probably like 1.8 meters. Okay, that's cool. So this is the anchors thing. So probably
So probably need 6 altogether. Or maybe 9.
6 or 8, because you want between the two. So maybe.
Because I was thinking instead have like your plank gonna have 1, 2, 3 screws. That way you have extra security. So you have not. Yeah, so you have 6 screws instead of. I was thinking we had 3 planks for a thread.
Yeah. Okay. So yeah, 3 on each plank like that.
Yeah.
That'll do.
Yeah.
Okay, so we've got all our wood together, we've got everything. James is going to start the first initial cut. Let's see how it goes. God, James, what the f is this? Well, there we have it. The first wall has gone in. So the slat wall is now completed, as you can very clearly tell. Still got the rubber bands and stickers and whatnot, but the components are complete. James tried out his first little shelf here, and it's looking really lovely. Yay! Wow, okay, well, James, what do you reckon?
Yeah, look, I'm very, very happy with that. You know, especially for a one-day job. It's kind of like semi-last-minute decision to go and do this. So, look, I reckon it's given me the opportunity to tidy things up in my room. This is only the start of it. So, my plan is to chuck some photos in there, build a couple of more shelves, and yeah, get it looking quite aesthetical. So, definitely a good addition to my room, and I'm keen to see what else I can do with it.
Yeah, man, it looks fantastic.